Imagine setting up hundreds of servers manually. Exhausting, right? Loops in Ansible are like having a super efficient assistant who handles repetition for you. They cut down manual work, boost efficiency, and scale effortlessly. Whether managing 5 hosts or 500, loops make life easier. Trust me, your future self will thank you. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable, integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Loops are like the ultimate multitaskers in Ansible. They take a list and execute commands for each item without breaking a sweat. They ensure consistency, reduce errors, and help keep your playbooks clean. Think of them as the superheroes of automation, eliminating redundancy and making your life infinitely easier. Why loops? Because who likes repetition? Ansible loops turn monotonous tasks into smooth automation workflows. They shrink your playbook size, optimize execution, and save you from the agony of writing the same task 10 times. The bottom line, loops are your automation best friend. Loops in Ansible follow simple syntax: define a task and add a loop. Think of it like setting up a to-do list and telling Ansible to check things off one by one. Get the indentation right, add the necessary loop keywords, and voila, your tasks run smoothly. Even YAML appreciates good organization. Loop is Ansible's favorite keyword. It repeats actions efficiently without complaining. It takes a list and runs through it, making everything neat and structured. Say goodbye to writing 50 identical tasks manually. Loop has your back. Lists are the heart of looping. You provide a list and Ansible does the heavy lifting. Just structure them properly and you'll avoid frustration. With loops, automation feels effortless and, dare I say, almost magical. Looping over dictionaries is like handling a menu. Each item has a price, and Ansible ensures everything is processed correctly. Whether assigning permissions or organizing configurations, looping through dictionaries is a neat trick. With items is the grandparent of Ansible loops, respected but not always necessary. It works fine, but loop is the more efficient, younger sibling. If you're working with legacy playbooks, you might still encounter with items, but modern automation prefers newer methods. Think of with dict as Ansible's way of handling complex data. It goes through key-value pairs smoothly, ensuring structured execution. If your playbook deals with loads of data mappings, with dict is a game changer. Nested loops in Ansible sounds complex, right? But trust me, they're a game changer. Imagine trying to pair employees with tasks or servers with configurations. Without nested loops, you'd be manually repeating commands like an overworked intern. They help pull data from multiple lists so automation doesn't feel like a jigsaw puzzle. Just keep an eye on structuring, otherwise you'll end up debugging for hours. Let's break it down. Loops are great until they start running out of control, repeating forever like an unskippable YouTube ad. That's where loop control comes in. Index variables help track where you are so you don't get lost in an endless cycle. Need to skip something or break the loop? No problem, Ansible's got your back. And if debugging feels like finding a needle in a haystack, with indexed items makes life easier. Imagine telling your coffee machine to brew until it's good enough. That's how until loops work, they keep running until a specific condition is met. Super handy when waiting for services to start or ensuring tasks complete properly. But be careful, without clear conditions you'll have an infinite loop, repeating like a stuck record. Add some delays and suddenly your automation is smarter. Loops are fantastic, but messy loops, a nightmare. Keep them simple, optimize iterations, and avoid redundancy. Think of it like a well-organized kitchen. Nobody likes chaos when cooking. Filters help clean up excess processing, while conditionals prevent unwanted iterations. And let's not forget performance monitoring, because if your automation slows down, you might as well go back to manual work. Ever run a loop and wonder why your system crashed? Welcome to common pitfalls. Unnecessary nesting bogs down performance. Infinite loops make debugging a nightmare, and undocumented loops leave future developers scratching their heads. The fix: smart structuring, clear conditions, and proper debugging. Trust me, spending an extra minute organizing loops will save you hours of frustration. Alright, theory is nice, but let's get practical. Loops shine when automating user creation, configuring servers, and handling bulk operations. Imagine setting up 100 servers manually. No thanks. Instead, Ansible loops make it effortless, saving time and sanity. And if you're working with templates, loops ensure dynamic generation without repetitive coding. Now that's smart automation. Congratulations, you've looped through loops. From nested structures to smart control techniques, loops in Ansible make automation a breeze when used correctly. The takeaway: optimize structure and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're configuring servers or generating templates, loops are your best friend. So go ahead, master them, and watch your automation game level up. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.